Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vinay. I did BSc from Barkatullah University, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I hails from Sajapur at about 80 km far from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Now I am preparing for CDS examination. I have passed 10+2 examination from MP board and secured 81% with science stream. My hobbies are listening songs and making new friends. I also like to visit new places. I want to join Indian Air Force to be the part of most loved armed force and to make my dreams come true. The topic of discussion is corruption. Corruption is a phenomenon in which someone or a citizen give bribe to the officers or authorities to do or complete his work. We can define it as corruption. In our country, most part or in most situations, if we are starting from politics or to the ground level, panchayat level, citizens, then everywhere corruption is increasing rapidly, and that is hampering the growth of our country. And our country is growing very fast, but such conditions or such situations of corruption that present everywhere is hampering our country's growth. There are lots of challenges and lots of harms of corruption. There are such harms such as that is hampering country's growth, not available facility to everyone, and there are such harms of them corruption, and we can hamper the complete system of corruption, not in one day, not in 1 year, by making the progress or the system more transparent, by launching new government policies, high and strict laws for authorities if they are found in corruption process, then they will be discharged from their job and condemned as a criminal. And government need to aware people, start campaigns from village and city levels. By doing this, economically we can do this. So if we are able to hamper the corruption, then the growth of country will be very rapidly. So government should do more efforts, people should be aware, make system more transparent, and new policies should be launched and new laws for the authorities. Thank you. Jai Hind.